Hi everyone. In our last few videos, we have seen how to add items to a particular list. In the next few videos, we'll check on how to remove items from a list. Now, when I'm talking about removing list items in Python, it implies to deleting elements from an existing list. So list you know that it has a order collection of items, and sometimes you need to remove certain items from them based on specific criteria or indices. Now, when we remove list items, we are reducing the size of list or eliminating specific elements. There are various ways in which we can do this. There are various methods. Those are remove. One of the method is remove. Second is pop. Third is clear. There's another method called del as well, delete statement, which also removes item at a specific index. Yeah. So remove is specifically used to remove or delete items from a particular list. Now there are various ways in which this various methods or function works. Now what remove does is remove method is used to remove the first occurrence of a specified items from a list. Yeah. So we can remove list items using remove method by specifying the value we want to remove from that particular list. Yeah. So the first occurrence of that particular item will be removed from the list. Yeah. We'll get into more details of each and every function. I'm just giving you a brief overview of what happens. Pop method in Python is used to remove or return the last element from a list if no index is specified. Yeah. So it will remove and return the element at a specified index, altering the original list. Yeah. So it will remove a particular item from a particular index that we specify. Lastly, we have the clear method. It will clear the entire list that we specify along with the method. So let's get on to all the methods one by one, starting with the remove method. So the first method that we are going to look at is uh, remove method. Yeah, let me make it bold. Yes. So what does remove method does is, yeah, remove method searches for a particular or a given element in the list and removes the first matching occurrence of that particular list. Now, suppose if there are two or duplicate items in the particular list. Suppose I have a list of fruits like apple, banana, orange, guava, and banana. So I have duplicate elements of banana in that list. So it will remove the first occurrence and keep the second occurrence as it is. Yeah. So if the element to be removed is not present in the list, it will come up with an error. Yeah. We'll check that as well. Yeah. Before that, we'll check into the syntax of remove. So the syntax is list dot, put it in, okay, list dot remove. And then you have to specify the object that you want to remove from that list. Yeah. So obj or the object is the object to be removed from the list. Okay. Let's quickly jump into an example. Suppose I have a list. Example of remove. Yeah. One element from a list. Yes. So I have a list. which was our existing list which we have tried earlier. So I have a list which is XYZ, Nilesh, and the original list that we have seen in my previous examples as well. Yeah. And I'm removing XYZ, which is available in this list. Yeah. This is only one time that is available in the list. Yeah. I'm asking the program to remove the XYZ from this particular list. So what will be the output? So we get a new list with the relevant object removed from this list. Yeah. Now suppose you have a duplicate object. Which has duplicate object. Yeah. So suppose I have this XYZ twice in this particular list. So I have here and I have it at last as well. So I have XYZ been mentioned twice in this particular list. Let's see what is the output. You'll find that it has removed the first occurrence, that is this occurrence of XYZ, whereas the last occurrence it has, so anywhere the XYZ has come after the first occurrence, it will not remove it. So suppose if I try to put XYZ in between somewhere after the name, if I try to put it here, yeah, it will still delete only the first occurrence of XYZ. So it has deleted the first occurrence and provided me with a new list with the other occurrence of XYZ as well. Yeah. Now, suppose I do not have the object which I want to remove. So suppose I want to remove an object which is called AAA, yeah, which is not available in this list. Yeah. If item to be removed is not available in the list, then it will encounter a value error. Let's see. Let's run this. You find this? So if I'm not able to find the value in the given list, which I have to remove, then it will come up with a value error that this particular value is not available in the list. Yeah. Now, suppose if you do not want to remove any of the values from a particular list, yeah, that's a weird hypothetical example, but still, if you do not want to remove any value from a particular list, then you can specify the value to be none. So what I can do is I'll keep the XYZ as it is, keep my original string as it is. Yes. And I specify here as none. Okay, suppose I have here value as none. Now we have created a list containing none values. Yeah. Then using the remove method, we are trying to remove the first occurrence of these values from the list. If there are multiple none values, the method can be called multiple times until all of them are removed. So it happens when there are no values in a particular list item and it has been specified as null, none, or nan. Yeah. So if I want to have this removed multiple times, then I have to pass this remove function multiple times. So let me run this. You'll find that the list had none values, but in the next updated list after removing none, it has the value removed with a more refined list. Yeah. Hope you understood this function. You'll use it to clean or make your list more applicable to do any kind of analysis on it. Hope you like this video. Do like, comment if you have any views or suggestions on the example, or if you want to add more information for our viewers. And do subscribe to my channel to get such more informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.